Have you ever dreamt of hitting the road on a motorcycle with wind in your hair, or rather safely inside your helmet, but then you look at all the gear and think, where do I even start? Don't worry, you're not alone. Today we're going to be cutting through the essential gear to show you exactly what you need as a beginner rider. This will help you get started safely and confidently. Nobody wants to have an accident, but if we do have one, you're going to want to be in the right gear to make sure that you're well protected. Dress for the slide, not for the ride. For a new rider, navigating through the world of safety gear can feel like a labyrinth. There's so much advice, there's so many brands, and frankly, so much expense if you don't know what you're looking for. In this video, we'll demystify some of the must-haves and we'll go through some essential safety features that you're going to want to consider when buying motorcycle gear. You're going to want to make sure that you're fully prepared from day one. Okay, so let's kick off with the king of safety, and that is your helmet. And in the UK, it's a legal requirement to have a safety helmet on when riding a motorcycle, either yourself or as a pillion. And let's face it, it's a pretty important one because it does protect your brain. When choosing a helmet, you're going to want to look at the latest safety standards, and at the moment, it's 22.06. You'll see this on the back of the helmet, or in this case, you can see it on one of the labels. There's three types of helmet. There is a full face. This is the most common, and this gives you the best protection. You can get a modular helmet, which looks similar to a full face, but the front can actually lift up, making it an open face. And then of course you've got open face helmets, which offer the least amount of protection because your face can still hit something. It doesn't matter which helmet style you go for, the fit is very important. It needs to be snug and not wobble around. You want it to be feeling tight, kind of pushing your face up like this. So next up, we're going to talk about protecting your hands. They're often the first part of your body to instinctively brace a fall. And your hands going into the road surface at, let's say, even as slow as 20 miles an hour, well, that road is going to beat the toughness of your skin, and your skin is not going to be there anymore. You often see influencers or photographs of people, videos of people riding without gloves. That's their choice. I quite like the look of my hands and I want to keep them that way. There's a few safety features to look out for, and that is reinforced palms. You can get knuckle protection across the back. You can get ones that come to the wrist, or you can get ones that come further down. You can also get winter gloves. You can get summer gloves. You can get all year round gloves. You can get heated gloves. There's a lot out there to choose from, and you can spend anywhere from £50 to hundreds of pounds. So when looking for gloves, it's always good to check out the CE rating, A, AA, AAA. The more A's you have, the better protection that those gloves are going to give you. Often underestimated by beginners are proper motorcycle trousers and boots. Let's be blunt here. A pair of jeans is going to offer you zero slide protection. Ideally, you're going to want to have a set of dedicated riding jeans or trousers, and whether they're armoured textile or they're Kevlar or whether you've got leathers, these are designed to resist slides and often include armour. Protecting your feet is equally essential in my eyes. You're going to want to forget wearing trainers. They look cool when you're riding a bike, I will admit that, but they're not going to offer you any protection. You're going to want to wear something which is designed for motorcycles, that comes up past the ankle, that fastens tightly, that offers a decent amount of grip. They don't have to be expensive. And finally, you've got the centerpiece, which is your jacket. This is where crucial safety technology meets rider style. For you beginners out there, your main choices are going to be textile, leather, or a modern hybrid. Leather will offer superior abrasion resistance, whereas textile will come in many different styles, often waterproof, breathable, and they come packed with different features for various weather conditions. Regardless of the material, always make sure that it has CE rated armour. Your jacket should have armour at the elbows, the shoulder, and to protect your spine, you're going to want to have a backplate in there. Most jackets will come with a pocket, and you buy the backplates separately. You should never compromise safety for aesthetics, but we're so lucky today because you can have both. So there you have it, guys. This is a very quick but comprehensive rundown of all of the safety gear that you're going to want to consider as a beginner rider. My advice is to not skimp on any of these critical items. However, you don't have to break the bank. If you shop around, you can get fully kitted for a reasonable price. Let me know in the comments what your favourite bit of safety gear is, and if you've got any guidance that you want to share for the beginner riders out there. If you find videos like this helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more practical motor vlogging content. And hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. If you made it this far, I want to say a big thank you for watching. I'll catch you at the next one. Stay safe, be kind, peace.